Hi there, I'm Stacy Trin from InsuranceExamGuides.com and welcome to our online course for CPCU 410, Speaking the Insurance Language. In this course, we'll start by giving you a broad overview of insurance companies and how they operate. Then, we'll go over a bunch of legal concepts that are really helpful for insurance professionals to know about before we then talk about the financial side of insurance to finish things off. Now, traditionally, students have struggled to earn their CPCU designation because they find the information they need to know too boring or too technical for them to really understand. So we decided to create some online courses to help make the material anything but those things. At InsuranceExamGuides.com, we aim to make the material simple and straightforward. And we're not afraid to get ridiculous or silly as long as it makes the information more memorable and easier for you to understand. We just want you to succeed. So we've packed our course with a whole bunch of content, including online video lectures, a streaming audio-only option in case you prefer to just listen on the go. We've thrown in our ever-popular study guides and bonus printables to help you effectively review all the material you need to know. And we've included a whole bunch of practice test questions. That way, you have everything you need to effectively prepare for your test. Especially if this is your first time using one of our courses, be sure to check out all the videos in our intro module so you can find out how to access each of the features I mentioned and get smart strategies for tackling each of your CPCU exams, including the one for this course in particular. So if you're ready to do this, so are we. Let's get down to business, the insurance business that is.